Brown switch, precise mechanical performance with 3mm travel distance that delivers tactility, at the same time softer and quieter than other mechanical switches, perfect office use. Customizable lighting, personalize your individual key RGB lighting mode and effects with adjustable brightness and reactive lighting, record and save your favorite lighting mode with saving it in F1 F4. 2 modes, Adaptable Keyboard with normal mode for the office and game mode to activate Windows lock key to prevent accidental pressing of the button, which brings you back to the desktop/home screen, while in a gaming shortcut, FN plus print screen to switch into or out of the game mode, with simplistic design and multiple lighting effects, perfectly suitable for working and gaming. N key rollover, every key press can be detected individually, which no key ghosting and delivers fluid typing or gaming experience at all times. System requirements, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, 1 free USB port, package includes, PERIBOARD-328 and manual. Top reviews from the United States. Works like it should. Nice value, the keystrokes are short as they should be on a keyboard like this. Accurate in the lighting is a nice plus.